for the day is transformation of degrees of comparison. In your lower classes, you may have learned about degrees of comparison, but in 9th standard, you have got transformation of degrees of comparison. From one degree to the other, you have to change. We are going to discuss the rules of changing degree in English grammar following easier steps and methods. The comparison of adjective words or adverb words is known as comparison of degree in English grammar. First of all, I would like to introduce the forms of degrees for your better understanding. There are 3 kinds of degrees. Adjectives and adverbs can have 3 degrees of comparison. They are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree. The positive degree is used to state something about the noun or pronoun. Positive degree is used to describe, not to compare. There won't be any comparison in positive degree. In comparative degree, it is compared between 2 persons or objects. The comparative degree is used when 2 things are compared. It is formed usually by adding er to the adjective or adverb. Then last one, superlative degree. Here comparison is done among several persons or adjectives. Superlative degree is used when more than 2 or more things are compared. It is formed usually by adding est to the adjective or adverb. Here we have some points to remember. How to identify the degrees. First of all, you have to identify the degree, then only you can transform or convert that degree to the other degree asked. So these are the points to remember. You keep all those points in your mind. These things will help you in the transformation. Point 1. The sign of positive degree is the conjunction as, then in between the adjective or the adverb will come, then it will be ending with as again. Otherwise, so, then adjective or adverb, then as. This is one such clue to identify the positive degree. Then point 2, the sign of comparative degree. Point 4 is the form of adjective or adverb word will be changed following the form of degrees, such as the adjective is strong means in the comparative degree it will be changed as stronger. ER will be added to the adjective, and in the superlative degree EST will be added to the adjective strongest. 5. During transformation, the original meaning of the sentence should not be changed. It should be there. The original meaning, it should not get disturbed. Then the last point to remember is, during transformation, in order to keep the meaning same, you have to change the position of subject and object. The subject will be changed to object, and the object will be changed as subject. You can understand it better when we go to the exercise. We learn and quantities. When we compare quantities, we will use as plus noun and as. When we compare qualities, we will use as, adjective plus as. And to compare how something is done, we will use as plus adverb plus as. And also with the form, it is possible to make comparison of equalities using a positive sentence, or in equality using a negative sentence. I will explain it better. The adjective or the adverb is in positive form, showing that two persons or things are the same. Two nouns having same quality. In that case, the common conjunction used is as, adjective, then as, followed by as. For example, John is as strong as James. Both the names are having same quality. They are strong, both are strong. The adjective used in this sentence is strong in positive form, showing equality. And the pattern used here in this sentence is subject plus to be, that is the verb, plus the conjunction as, plus adjective, plus as, plus noun phrase. Another example, here two cats with the same height and weight but different color is being compared. The brown cat is as beautiful as the grey cat. Both the cats are the same. This is degree of equality. Here I have taken two names, Raja and Malini. Both are having same height, that is 150 centimeter height. The standard thing between them is the height. And the adjective what is used here to describe is tall. In equal point is in positive form, showing that two persons or things are not the same. Two nouns not having the same quality. See, for example, Peter is not as fast as Paul. Here the pattern used is subject plus to be verb plus not plus so or as plus adjective, adverb plus as plus noun phrase. They are not same in quality. See the example given down. The brown cat is not as beautiful as the black and the white cat. So now you can understand the inequality. Okay. Let me give you some rules and give the examples. You will understand it better, I think so. The rule number 1 is, in the positive degree, if you are having no other or there is nothing like that, in comparative degree when you are converting, than any other will come or than anything will come. And in superlative degree, the will be there or of any will be there. See the examples, you will understand it better now. In the positive thing, no other boy in the class is as good as John. No one is as good as John. In comparative degree, you see, no other has come in the positive degree. When it is transformed to comparative degree, John is better than any other boy in the class. As we seen in the above table, no other is coming here in comparative degree than any other. It has been changed. And in the superlative degree, John is the best boy in the class. See how it has been transformed? Now you will be understanding the rules. Now here also, very few or few will be coming in case of plurals. And when it is transformed to comparative degree, it will be transformed like this: than most other or than all other. And in the superlative degree, one of the or of all. See the examples down, you will understand it better now. In positive degree, very few cities are as developed as New York in the world. Now, yes. Here the adjective word developed is changed into more developed in comparative and most developed in superlative. Besides, the object word New York in the positive has become subject word in the comparative and superlative. See how the transformation has happened. Finally, you see that the form of verb is plural in this rule. The subject has turned to object and the object has turned to subject. This is the transformation has taken place in this. In positive degree, as and as, so as, affirmative and negative now. Single sentence, okay. In comparative degree, not or than will come. Suppose in the positive degree, if it is affirmative, in the comparative degree, we will be using negative. And there won't be any superlative degree in this rule. The examples are, the boy is as strong as the girl. See, two things are compared, the boy and the girl. When we change to comparative degree, the object will become the subject and the subject will become the object. The boy has gone to the object and the girl has come to the subject place. The girl is not stronger than the boy. See, the affirmative has changed to negative. Okay. Like that in the second one, You believe him as much as I. Now I has come to the subject place. I and not. I do not believe him. Much has changed as more. Okay. Than. We are using the word than. You. Now I has gone to the subject place and you has come to the object place. Like that, the third example you see, your bag is as fine as mine. Mine will be coming to the subject place. So my bag is not finer. Fine is taking that ER, no? So finer than yours. So this is very simple. Now let me go. Rule number 4. Again, as affirmative, as negative also will be coming. So in that case, it will be changed vice versa. In comparative degree, not will be coming or less than, okay. It depends. Affirmative will be changed to negative and negative will be changed to affirmative. And there won't be any superlative degree applicable here. Example is, the girl is as ugly as you said. Now they are not changing the subject. They are not changing the place of the subject and the object. It remains the same. In comparative degree, the girl is no less ugly than you said. See how the transformation is happening, you see. Next one, the positive degree is, the student is not as fool as I think. They are given the positive degree in negative. How it is changed? It is changed to affirmative sentence. The student is less fool than I think. In the first case, you have seen the affirmative sentence has changed as negative statements in the comparative degree. Okay. As you do many exercises, you will understand it better. Now let me go to the 5th rule. Here, in positive, if you have the as soon as conjunction, it will be changed to no sooner had than in comparative, and there won't be superlative degree in this case also. Let me go to the example. As soon as the man came, I left the room. See how it has been transformed. No sooner had the man come than I left the room. So this is the transformation. This is how it has been converted. Now let me examples. You can understand it better. No other metal is as precious as gold. Now two things are compared. One is the gold and the other one is other metal. Now from positive to comparative, when you are changing, no other metal is coming. So how it will be changed? Any other metal should come. Yes. Now the subject will become object and object will become the subject. Now gold has come front. Gold is more precious. Why we are using more? Because precious, it has got more than 3 syllables. 3 and above, 2 and above. Okay. So we use more plus precious. Gold is more precious than any other metal. Now how it is transformed to superlative degree? It is very simple. Gold is the most precious of all metals. That is the most precious metal. Now example 2. India is the largest democracy in the world. India is the largest democracy in the world. In this sentence we have got the, so definitely it is the superlative degree. How from superlative degree to comparative degree you can change? Yes, India democracy in the world. And very easily you can change it to positive degree also. No other democracy in the world is as large as India. No other girl in the class is as tall as Alice. Alice is taller than any other girl in the class. That is the comparative degree. And Alice is the tallest girl in the class. That is the superlative degree. In this sentence, comparison is made between Alice and the other girls in the class using the positive adjective tall. The same idea has been expressed using the comparative adjective taller and the superlative adjective tallest. So that is the change. You would be understanding the degrees of comparison a little bit better, I think. But in one day you cannot master all this grammar. What you have to do is you have to remember and do lot many exercises. Then only you will understand this better. These are the rules on changing degrees with examples and explanations, children. I hope you have a better understanding on this degrees of comparison right now. You can transform any sentence from positive to comparative or superlative, and superlative to comparative and or positive. So keep trying it. Do a lot many exercises at home. If you have any doubt, you can approach us anytime. Thank you. Take care.